Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a discussion around a topic which is multimodal AI, vision, text plus audio models. Multimodal AI refers to AI system that can process and understand multiple modalities like text, images, audio, and video. So, mu- multimodal AI is different with traditional AI in a way. Traditional AI system work with only one type of data, but multimodal AI combines different data sources to achieve deeper understanding and more intelligent behavior. It is an artificial intelligence system that can understand, process, generate information from multiple data modules such as text, image, audio, and video. Some key characteristics around here are like cross-model understandings, unified representation of different data types, ability to reason across modalities, context aware generation, and real world perception capabilities. So, why do we need multimodal AI? So, traditional AI systems are limited because they work with only one type of data. For example, text only models cannot see images, and vision models cannot understand language instructions. This creates limitation in real world applications where multiple types of informations are required. Multimodal AI solves this problem by combining different modalities, allowing AI to understand complete context and make better decisions. Some limitations in the traditional code generation were like text only models, vision only models, and audio only models. Some real world problems requiring multimodal AI are healthcare, analyze medical images plus reports. So in the healthcare, multimodal AI can analyze the multiple kinds of image which reside with the medical associations. Apart from that, there is autonomous vehicle and assist AI. GPT-4 Vision Multimodal. GPT-4 Vision is a multimodal AI that can understand and analyze images. It can read documents, understand charts, answer questions about images. For example, if you show it a graph, it can explain the trends and insights. This is possible because model converts visual informations into embeddings and combines it with language understanding. This makes AI more useful in real world applications. So around here, some capabilities are like image understanding, visual reasoning, scene description, document analysis. Why GPT-4 Vision feels intelligent? It connects visual inputs with language reasoning, understands relationship between object, and generate context explanation. Whisper Audio Understanding Model. So, Whisper is a speech recognition model developed by OpenAI. It converts spoken audio into text and support multiple languages. It can also handle noisy environments and still produce accurate transcript. This technology is used in voice assistants, transcript tools, and accessibility systems. It enables AI to understand human speech effectively. So here it can convert speech to text, understand multiple language, handle noisy audios. Some capabilities are like speech recognition, language detection, and audio transcript. So the architecture of multimodal AI system. The architecture of multimodal AI system consists of several components. First, the input layer that receives the type of data such as image, text, or audio. Then it separates encoder process each data type that converts into embeddings. These embeddings are combined in fusion layer to create a unified representation. Finally, the language model processes the representation and generates intelligent outputs. This architecture enables cross-model reasoning. In these, the two layers are mostly like conflicting. Like the one is input layer receives multiple inputs. Another is the encoder. So encoder are of types. One is vision, text, audio, LLM core, and the last one where you get the output. Multimodal AI processing flow. The processing flow begins when the user provides inputs such as image and a question. The system converts each input into embeddings using encoders. These embeddings are combined and processed by the model. The model then performs reasoning and generates a meaningful output. This allows AI to answer questions about images, understand speech, and perform complex tasks. So the step of processing are the step one goes under encode image into a vector. The step two goes into encoding the text into vector. Step three encode the audio into vector. Step four combine the vectors. Step five performing the reasoning, and then step six you can generate the output. So challenges in the multimodal AI are: first, combining the data types effectively, it's complex. So the data alignment, which here has an issue, for that we use the uh, embedding alignment. High compute requirements. The model has high computation requirements. So solution for that is model optimization and quantization. Some other issues are like fusion complexities and large training data set requirements. So here we can see a comparison slide between single model AI and multimodal AI. So for the input type, the single model AI can take an input as a single input, while in multimodal we can have multiple inputs. On the basis of understanding, a single model has a limited standing, while the multimodal has a rich and vast understanding on that. Context awareness is low under single model, while in multimodal it is higher. For the applications, single model has narrower application while the multimodal has broad. In on the basis of intelligent level, a single model AI is a basic levels intelligent, while the multimodal has advanced level of intelligence. So, on concluding this, multimodal AI represents the next evolution of artificial intelligence. It is not limited to one data type. It combines vision, language, audio to create an intelligent system capable of real world understanding. Multimodal AI powers modern systems like GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude. It is a major step towards building human level AI systems. Thank you.